we need a cast stainless steel wire of 0.5 mm, an universal plier, an Adams plier, a wire cutter, and a marker. Okay, let's begin with straightening the wire. I hope you know how to straighten the wire. If you have any doubt, then you can watch my video. I will give in the description. The next step is you have to make a punch at the end of the wire so that it doesn't hurt the tissue. Watch carefully how I am making the punch at the end of the wire. Now you have to mark the point which is equal to the mesurable width of the tooth. And also keep in mind, don't cross the margin of the tooth. After marking, the next step is to make a helix on that marking. For that, you have to take the wire at the first grip of the plier and then you have to move the wire with the help of thumb, as you can see in this video. As you can see, I'm little struggling with this because my pliers grip is not so firm. So you can take a good plier so that you can do it easily. Now the next step is making up second helix. For that you have to mark the point on which you are going to make a helix, and you can make easily helix as you have made one. And make sure both the active arms are parallel to each other. Now make a sharp bend on the marked point. The bend should be right angle. Next step is you have to make the retentive arm perpendicular to the pallet, and accordingly you have to adjust with the tissue. Now your zspring is ready. This is the proper zspring with 2 active arm, 2 helix and a retentive arm. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.